Check out this tool belt made by VIDAR Tools. Made out of durable material. The waist strap is padded. It comes with shoulder straps that are removable if you don't want to use them. They're also padded. The shoulder straps are adjustable, of course. Easy to hook and remove just by using these claw hooks. Got the rings right there up front and in the back also. All metal on the belt is galvanized to prevent any rust. This tool is very helpful when you're at a construction site, if you're doing carpentry work, maintenance work, cleaning, or whatever you want to use this belt for. It has a D-ring right there for keys. Tool bags fit a lot of tools. Tape measure hook right there. Attached by Velcro here. And like you can see, this is padded. Tool pockets on right and left. Let's see, there's slots within the pockets. You can hold batteries or lights in there or other tools that you need.